Hello everyone, Smart India Hackathon 2025. Our problem statement ID SIH 25128. Problem statement title Waste and Recycling Management. Our team Community Connectors. Our project is Waste to Wealth. So our project is related to some organic waste. In our society, a huge amount of organic waste such as fruit peels, vegetable peels is generated daily by households, restaurants and markets. So most of the waste ends up in landfills causing pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. At the same time, organic farmers, compost markets and dairy farmers, etc. have so much of raw materials. Website act as the bridge between the buyer and the seller. So here is the login page of our website where if you are already have the credentials, you are the old user, you can directly sign in. If you are the new user, you need to register. So let me assume that I am a new user. So I need to register. Here we have two categories. You might be a seller or a buyer. If let me assume now I am a seller. So here we have different categories like household, restaurant, event or bakeries. You can choose according to your requirement. Now let me assume I am a restaurant owner. Now I need to register. It gives us error that it should definitely end with a restaurant or a hotel name in the name section. So now I will mention it as a restaurant. Now, once you have entered it, you can go back to the dashboard. Here, your profile will be in the pending because the admin has to approve your request. This is our admin page where we have all the request here, and here we got our request Nani restaurant, which I have entered the credentials. Now I will approve it as an admin. So once we'll get a pop-up message that are you sure you want to agree it or not. So the profile is approved successfully. Here you can see that your profile has been verified. So this is our main seller page where we have different categories of vegetable peels and fruit peels. Here we are going to provide only vegetable peels powder and fruit peels powder in our website. Only these two categories are available for the seller. So here we also have a reward points page in our project. Like initially we will be providing with the 100 bonus points to the user. Now you can choose a file of your vegetable peel spec. Now I have chosen a wrong pick for the vegetable peels. So it's showing a warning such as it is an invalid pick. So you need to upload the right pick. Now once I have uploaded the right pick, it has got uploaded in the and you need to mention what is the pick. Carrot 1 kg. In the same way, fruit peels. Now I have uploaded the right pick and it got uploaded. Let me give it is an apple 1 kg. Now you need to add the product. Once the products are submitted successfully, now the admin have to approve the request. Here you can see the product submissions here where we have chosen vegetable peels, carrot 1 kg and apple 1 kg. Now the admin will approve it and you can see that award 50 points to the user for the approved submission. Points are awarded. Now you can see in the reward points, it got updated with the 150 points. You can redeem these points in the form of cash or in the form of grocery items such as 100 points you can redeem it, or you can choose grocery items like 1 liter milk, fresh fruits and vegetables, and here personal care such as soap set and shampoos. Some people see a pile of discarded peels and think waste. We see a pile of peels and think net worth. Now we need to go back. Now I have clearly explained about the seller page. Let me tell you about the buyer page. Now I am the buyer and here we have two types. One is processed and unprocessed. In processed, the material will be available in the powdered way, and processed the direct vegetable peels and fruit peels, not in the powder. So let me choose Processed. Here we have different categories like paper and packaging, fertilizer company, and cosmetic industry, and animal feed, etc. companies. Like now choose as per the requirement cosmetic industry. Let me enter the company name. Now here, if you doesn't enter the company name properly, and if you not mention the company in the name bar, it doesn't allow you to register. So once I enter it as a company, it accepts and you can register. Now here the admin have to approve our profile. Here the request has been popped. Now here the admin will approve it by make sure that it is a proper profile or not. Once it is okay, the profile will be approved successfully. Here you can see it as a verified. Now let me go into it. Here we have mixed vegetable powder and carrot powder and potato powder. And in the fruit powders, you have like mixed fruit powders and mango powders and banana powders. Here vegetable powder is 130 rupees per kg. So let me take it as 10 kgs. And in the same way, let me choose the fruit mixed powder also in the 10 kgs. Once you are done with your requirements, then you need to proceed with the payment. You need to enter your address. Then you need to scan the QR code and proceed with your payments. Once you're done with your payment, you have to come back to the page and you have to click on the I have completed the payment page. Thank you.